In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete user in Zoho Mail. Before we begin, make sure you are signed in with an account that has the proper administrator permissions for your organization. Deleting a user removes their access, so it's important to double-check you are working in the right workspace and that you truly intend to revoke this user's access. Start by opening Zoho and signing in. Once you are on the main Zoho home screen, click the CRM app to access it. This takes you into your organization's CRM workspace, which is where the user management area is available in this workflow. If you are new to the interface, give the page a moment to load and confirm you are in the CRM dashboard. Next, look to the upper right corner and click the settings gear icon. This opens the administrative settings for CRM. In the settings menu, locate the General section. Under General, select Users. This page lists the users associated with your organization. You'll see names and statuses. And this is where you'll manage who has access. From the list of users, select the person you want to remove. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct account to avoid removing the wrong user. When you open their profile, scroll through the page to find the option labeled Delete this user. It may appear near the bottom of the user details page. Click that option when you are ready to proceed. Keep in mind, deleting a user will remove their sign-in access. Depending on your organization's policies, their historical data or ownership of records may be preserved or transferred within your system. But their ability to access your Zoho applications will be revoked. After you click Delete this user, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is a safeguard to ensure you intend to complete the action. Review the prompt carefully, and if you are certain, click Delete to confirm. Once confirmed, Zoho processes the removal and the user will no longer be able to sign in under your organization. If you are maintaining documentation or an internal audit trail, this is a good moment to note the change for your records. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.